It may be the most infamous section of freeway in San Diego. It doesn't matter if you live in Chula Vista, Oceanside, Alpine, or the beach communities. Every San Diegan has a story about driving this section of State Route 52 between Interstate 805 and State Route 163.
Construction crews have been out here nightly to repair what many motorists have called a roller coaster effect as they repair this section of the highway. This facility is built over a landfill, so we were drilling holes into the pavement, pumping grout into the ground in order to solidify and stabilize the subgrade. Then we went and did smoothness correction in order to eliminate all of the dips and bumps that were caused by the differential settlement as a result of building this over the landfill. Our second process was to reestablish a profile to smooth out the road, which we integrated 3D grinding, where we created a model and we reestablished the profile of the road, and then now we're repaving it, upon which we will perform additional smoothness correction, and then we'll stripe it, and then we'll be finished.
Most people know this highway was built over a landfill, but before it was a landfill, this area was a canyon. Trash that was dumped here likely more than 40 years ago was not on a flat surface, and that trash continues to shift to this day. Engineers hope this new technique will minimize the number of times crews need to come out to make repairs.
So we've just done overlays. We have not done very much compaction grouting. We did do a pilot project in 2016 that utilized compaction grouting, and we had success with that, so we moved forward with doing additional compaction grouting on this project, which is on a lot.
We apologize for any inconvenience this project may have caused. Nearly all the paving is complete, and crews will add the lane striping by early December.
I'm Hayden Manning from Caltrans District 11 with another Caltrans Newsflash, and I'll see you next time.